Can a lawyer commit perjury? Have you ever wondered if lawyers, who are supposed to uphold the law, can actually break it? This question leads us to the serious issue of perjury. Yes, a lawyer can commit perjury. Perjury happens when someone intentionally makes a false statement while under oath or signs a legal document that they know is false. This rule applies to everyone who takes an oath in a legal setting, including lawyers. To understand this better, let's break down what constitutes perjury. First, the person must take an oath to tell the truth. Second, they must willfully make a false statement. Third, they need to know that the statement is false. Finally, the false statement must relate to a material fact, meaning it could affect the outcome of the legal proceeding. In crime films, we often see lawyers walking a tightrope between aggressive representation and ethical conduct. While they are officers of the court and have a duty to uphold the law, they can still commit perjury if they knowingly lie during testimony or in sworn documents. This act not only harms their credibility but also undermines the entire justice system, which relies on truthful testimony. If a lawyer commits perjury, the consequences can be severe. They face criminal charges that may lead to fines, imprisonment, and disbarment, which means they lose their license to practice law. Additionally, if a lawyer encourages someone else to commit perjury, they can be charged with suborning perjury, which is a serious offense in itself. In many crime films, the portrayal of a lawyer committing perjury often leads to dramatic consequences. These narratives show how a single lie can unravel a case, damage reputations, and sometimes even lead to violent outcomes. This highlights the tension between legal strategy and moral responsibility, emphasizing how perjury can corrupt the truth that courts depend on for fair decisions. So, to answer the question, yes, lawyers can commit perjury if they knowingly make false statements while under oath or in sworn documents about material facts. This crime damages the integrity of the legal system and carries heavy penalties, reflecting the serious stakes involved when truth is compromised in the courtroom.